fun. At lalo-lalo na po, it's all for a big cause.
This is
The Big All Concert. Oh, wait. Pag sinabi niyo yung skills niyo dapat, ninyo. Okay. Welcome niyo talaga sila.
Pasubukan nila. Kasi parang patay, di ba?
Yan! Huwag ka kabahan. Okay rin yan. Tsaka lahat naman kinakabahan. Pag hindi ka na kinakabahan, pangit yun.
Naiya po ako talaga ako kasi tinatry ko pong i-balance po yung tono ko. Lakas ng kaba ko.
Have you played Kang before?
Yes. It's my second time
Second time?
in my life.
In your life? Oh. Do you want me to teach you how to play the horn?
Sure, of course.
Alright.
I have to like this. I did, but she said more. But when I tried to follow her, and she said just use first part. So I practice this first part. Even if I take
The
some,
other person. What are you shouting?
for me, I think it was nice. But like the timing was not really complete, but it was nice for me. Wow, we are really getting better. Maybe tomorrow? Yeah. Oh my God.
Dapat sana yung nag-host kasi kayo yung magsisimula. Banggang-banggang hello! Mga ganon. Para naman ma-excite agad ang tao.